This is 8.5, the coordinate plane, part 1. The coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line and a vertical number line. The origin is the center coordinate, center of the coordinate plane, where they intersect, and we label that with 0, 0. The quadrants are the 4 regions the coordinate plane is split into. So you can see here we have a coordinate plane, vertical number line, horizontal number line, and they are split into 4 sections. We call this quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. They are always labeled in this order. And the origin here is the center, which is 0, 0. So if I'm going to label the points, then I'm going to look at my coordinate plane, and I have these orange points on here. Now when they are labeled in the way of x, y, x, comma, y. X is always first, and y is always second. X shows how far you move side to side, and y shows how far you move up or down. As you can see on my number lines, negatives are to the left and down. So for A, it's 1, 2, because I go to the right 1 and then up 2. B, I go to the left 3, so that's negative 3, and up 1, so that's a positive 1. For C, I go to the left 4 and down 4 to make negative 4, negative 4. And D, you go to the right 3, down 2 to make 3, negative 2. X first, Y second. So then you would put all your points together to make your answer. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to plot the points and describe their locations. So if I'm given these points, A, B, C, D, and I know that they are X first, Y second, then you are going to make your coordinate plane, and for A, you go to the left 3, up 2. For B, you go side to side 0, but down to negative 4. For C, you go to the right 2, down 1, and D is to the left 1, up 0. Now to describe where they are, we're going to say which quadrant they are in. A is in quadrant 2, B is on the y-axis. It's neither in quadrant 4 or quadrant 3. C is in quadrant 4, and D is also between 2 quadrants. It is on the x-axis. We're going to do another one to plot and describe. So I'm given the points here, A, B, C, D. So A is negative 3, 2. B is negative 4, negative 1. C is 3, 5. And D is negative 5, negative 1. And you can see they're in quadrants 1, 2, and 3. Make sure that you always put X's first, Y's second.